We're going to make some messy space buns today. We're going to walk really fast right here. All I'm doing is taking a section of hair and looping it over and wrapping a band of hair around it. And then I'm going to use my Luxe U-Pen, which is a small basic U-Pen, to hold that together. Hang tight. We're going to walk through it. And if you check out the suggested video here, you'll see how to properly use a U-Pen. There's a trick to it, to the placement. We're going to move over to the other side, and you'll see that I have sectioned off already the hair that I'd like to use to make this video go a little faster for you. I love mini space buns. They are so much fun. You can leave your hair down and up at the same time. So again, I've just looped that hair over. You see me here taking a band of hair, wrapping it around. That band of hair, strand of hair, whatever you want to call it, basically becomes the rubber band, so you don't have to put a rubber band in your hair. The U-Pen is tucked through the inside of that band of hair, flipped forward and pushed all the way through to grab the other side. And yes, that will hold all day for you, and you will have fabulous, adorable space buns and enjoy them. Okay? My name is Cindy. I am the godmother of the Messy Bun Mafia, and I thank you so much for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe.